full of fluids, oil's full, coolant's full. It's back together. What we gotta do is, I gotta roll it forward a little bit so I can get the door open. And it's already primed, so it should start right up and run like a champ. First lick. Let's push it forward a little bit. We can't roll it out the door. That should be good. Let's see here. Transmission line park. Let's turn the key on a couple of times. Get some fuel to the motor. There's the mileage, 9329. Now one thing we've got to do after we clear all the codes and all that mess is we got to reset the cam. Excuse me, we got to reset the crank misfire monitor. That's the word I'm looking for. We got to reset the misfire monitor. This thing won't work with the flip. All right. Fire in the hole. Where's our oil pressure at? I can see a gauge. It's terrible. It's an oil pressure gauge. How the heck are you supposed to know if you're got oil pressure or not? I don't know. Burn like a kid. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing outside and bring it around to this bay. Because I got to fill the air conditioning. And it's been apart for a while. So I got to pull a 60-minute vacuum on it and boil all the moisture out of the system. And then fill it. And I've got a lot more to do. Can't top a bay with that. Because the next job I got to do is I got to get that green truck in right there. Put that motor in that green truck. So I'll take this over, move it over there, and bring the green truck in. One of the drawbacks to having individual doors to get in your bays, if you nose in, there's no outlets. There's nowhere to plug anything in, such as this AC machine. So you got to back the thing in, use an extension cord, what have you, whatever. Now, if you're a mechanic getting ready to start working at a shop, you want to get a good feel for what kind of crew you're going to be working with, go look at their AC machine. If their AC machine looks like this, I just went and got this machine. Alright, sorry about the wind noise. It was in the other building, and somebody had used it earlier this morning, like at 8 o'clock. Notice our gauges. We're reading pressure. I'm not hooked to the vehicle. That's an asshole move. That's completely inconsiderate for your fellow co-workers. So, if you go look at their AC machine and it's put up, stored away, and it's got pressure on the gauges, you got a long road ahead of you because they don't care about you or anything else. All they're cared about is their job and getting it out and making their money. I always reclaim the machine when I'm done with it. Well, when the next guy gets it, the gauges are set at 0. If he puts them on the car, he'll know if the car's got a charge in it or not. So if I were to hook this to this car, I'm going to actually charge it with what's in those hoses, which is only about, not even a 1/10 of a pound, but still, it's just no respect. So we're gonna continue with that. I just wanted to talk about, I want to rant and rave about that. And then we've got this thing in, and we're gonna pop the cab off of it, put that in it. I'm not gonna film that though, because we got plenty of 543 valve videos. Unless something happens that is film worthy. She's like a brand new one. Like it never happened. Can't even hear the motor over all the fans in the shop. Do a little misfire profile monitor correction learn thing. Success. So we set the cam, and then we'll be ready to take this old girl for a rip. Go see if everybody slows down when we're out riding around in traffic. This camera lens got splattered with some oil the other day. Look, I did a good job of cleaning it off. It's kind of hazy. Let's see, first thing I want to do is set the clock. It is 3:43, and that temperature is not accurate. Don't believe that. So let's go to menu, let's go to clock. Let's see, get rid of that. I don't know if these guys
45.
Run a military time or what?
10:42 from South.
County?
Guess we'll leave it on military time. Let's see here. 3:40. Might as well say 44. Oh man, I'm going to put an oil change sticker in this thing for you. It gives me an idea how far I've driven. So 9329. I'm jittery about backing out around this corner. Somebody come flying by this corner here. Turn the AC up a little bit. Hopefully the microphone will pick it up. So let's go down some back roads first. And then we'll get out on the highway. This thing needs an alignment bad. It's all shifted from where I took the subframe out. Look at this guy rolling coal. Holy cow. Can't even see behind him. The guy's like, damn it, he's going my way. It's pretty steady, pretty smooth. What the heck is that guy going to go with that forklift?
Communication. Okay, I spoke to the SPCA in reference to Mr. He has been told how to take care of those cats. He's also called the SPCA and tried to him haul around them. Don't dispatch us again. He knows how to take care of it. If he sets up an appointment, he can bring them to the SPCA.
Copy. Did they advise about Mr. Bird as well?
He has not set up an appointment, so until he does.
Oh, let's start turn. Almost missed a turn.
We're not going to transfer.
Listen to this poor guy and his cats.
Yeah.
The cat man. I guess I'm supposed to be narrating while we're driving to pass the time. I think I'm gonna turn the camera off. So it runs pretty good. Don't really need to drive it much more. I'm gonna take it right back to the shop. Let it cool down. Let the rings seat. Drive it again in the morning. Let it cool down. After lunch, drive it one more time, and the rings should be fully seated, and they can have it back Wednesday. It's Monday. So let's see, speed limit is 65 down through here. Let's see what everybody does with me on the highway. I am currently running 60. There's a car come up behind me, not interested in passing me. So, got two cars in front of me. They are probably running 70. I'd say they're running 75, because I'm not catching up to them. They're not pulling away. They might be doing 70. So, anywho, let me get this thing back to the shop. We'll check it again in the morning. We'll see how everything looks. See if it's got any leaks. Actually, I got to spritz it off. It's still got a lot of oil underneath it. So,
Copy.
anyway, check it by tomorrow.